Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, I'll be doing something different. Today, someone asked me, can you make a cake in the Power Exhale? So today, I'll be making a cake real easy, fast to go. It's going to take about maybe 20 minutes. And today, I'm just going to use some cake mix. And I'm going to be using some fresh pecans. As you see, they're nice and good. And I chop them up right in here. And I'll be using some on the icing and some other things on the icing. But today my ingredients is I'm going to be using 1 cup of water, a half a cup of cooking oil, and 3 eggs and 2 pecans I chopped up real nice and good. So what I'm going to do is just put everything in this bowl right here like that. And I'm just going to put these nut sprinkle in like that. Just pour that in just like that. And I'm going to crack these eggs and put the eggs in like that. If you get a shell on the eggs, it's all right. We can get it out real easy. And so I crack that and put it in like that. And like I said, I'll be using 3 of these nice eggs. Put them in like that. And crack that. And I'm just going to take my time and put them in. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour my oil in there. I'm just going to put everything in, just mix up everything nice and easy. And like this. And just pour all that in there like that. And pour it in. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take my time and stir that up nice and easy. And just like this. And also, it's a lot of other things I'm getting on this list that people want me to cook in the Power XL. I'll be getting to it. So I'm trying to do one at a time. As you know, my daughter started back school and everything, and she have advanced classes. So I'm trying to put out 1 video a week. I was trying to put out 2, but by her doing her work, I'll be doing 1 video a week. And when things slow down, I'll pick up the back of the videos, try to put out 2 a week or 3. But in the meantime, I thank you for watching, and we'll try to put out as many as we can. I'm mixing it up just like this. As you can see, the nuts and everything is getting separated and everything. And this cake should come out real nice. This is my first time doing one in the Power XL. As you know, I like to take you step by step when I'm doing the Power XL, and we will be looking at this step by step. In the meantime, I'm going to mix it up again, but I'm going to turn the Power XL on and kind of get started. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on bake. As you see, it's on bake. I'm going to set the temperature. Set the temperature for 375. Put it on 375. And I'm gonna press timer, and I'm gonna set the minutes for 20 minutes. Set this for 20 minutes. And in the meantime, what it's gonna do, I'm gonna say start, and it's gonna preheat. While it's preheating, I'm gonna finish mixing this up and everything till it say add food. It say add food, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open it up, and I'm just gonna put it in just like that all over. And this right here gonna be just a thin cake right here, because I'm making 1 layer, and we're just testing this out in the Power XL to see how it come out. So we're just gonna put all that in like that, and this is a tester to see how it come out. You can make 1 and then make another one if you want a 2 layer, but in the meantime, I'm just making 1, 2. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it the top down. I'm going to press start. Press start. And you see I set it for 20 minutes. And we'll be looking at it. I'll be looking at it in 7 minutes. You'll be looking at it with me. Like I said, I like to take you step by step so you get an idea how everything come out just right. In the meantime, you know what Mr. Belle going to be doing. For all my first-time viewers, if you've been watching, haven't been watching me, and you're just coming on to this channel, what I like to do is wash the dishes as the food is in process. So what I'm gonna do, don't leave the dishes for your wife, don't leave it for your kids, because everybody thinking, who gonna wash the dishes? So while everything is cooking, I'm gonna wash these dishes. That way the food tastes better and everybody be happy. As you know, I set it for 20 minutes. It's been 8 minutes. We're gonna take a sneak peek out together and see how it's coming out. As you see, it's coming out pretty good and everything. I'm gonna put the top back down and let it finish. And when you put the top down, it go automatically back to the thing. So we're gonna take another look together. In 5 minutes, we take another look at it and everything, see how it come out. But don't be afraid and just cook that cake and let it come out just right. Okay, altogether it's been 14 minutes, so we're gonna take another look at it. And I'm gonna get a fork and I'm gonna just stick it in there and see. We're gonna do this together and everything. Look at it. And take it and put it in there like that. And as you see, this cake is done. I'm gonna stop it right there. As you see, the fork is nice and clean. So I'm gonna end it, and what I'm gonna do when I press cancel, I'm in it, I'm gonna take it out, and I'm gonna let it cool off before I take it out the pan and put the icing on it and put the extra little trimmings on it. So I'm gonna take it out and let that be cooling off so I can get the icing together. And we'll be taking out this pan together. And I'm gonna sit it over here and let it cool off. In the meantime, I'm gonna get the icing together and I'll be right back. Okay, what I'm gonna do is cool off. As you see the pan cool off, so I'm gonna take it out, just flip it over like that. And I'm gonna just turn it over. As you see, it kind of split a little, but it's all right. The top is good. Flip it over right just like that. And I'm gonna put a little icing on it. Just get a little icing out here, and I'm gonna put it on here like that. And I'm gonna just spread it all over, just like this. And like I say, this is a small cake. We just making one layer cake, and you just spread the icing over just like this. And just get a little and put it like that to just cover it up. Everything, the size of it, and everything. And this is just the idea how to do the cake, set the time on it and everything. And I'm just gonna put it like that, spread it and put it over like that. Get a little more icing, put it on this side, and spread it. Just like that. And what I did, I shredded some coconut just to have a little blender on it and everything. And I'm gonna put some coconut on it because I brought some coconut and I didn't use all of it. So what I did, I shredded it, and I'm gonna just sprinkle it just like that. Make it look kind of nice and good. Give it a little extra taste to it. Good taste. And put it just like that. And that's making that cake in the Power Eggshell. And like I say, this is the cake that we did in the Power Eggshell. That's cooking with the Bells. If you like it, so leave a comment in the box. And if you haven't subscribed, that's all you have to do to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Ding! Hit that buzzer and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, and you'll be watching all my videos. I have some good recipes on there, how to cook different things. And thank you for watching.